Guys, all the corn's gone. I don't know what I'm supposed to do with my day. Welcome back. We're here on our lunch break. I know I've been gone. It's been 3 weeks, guys. I know I've just been dealing with some medical stuff, and I gotta figure it out. I'm gonna try to bring these back a little bit more often. So I don't know if you guys saw this today, but Bitcoin basically is going off a cliff right now. I believe we were at 122, 123 this morning. And I believe we are down to, flip this up a little bit. Oh, that's not working. There it is. I believe we were down to 116 right now. I don't know what's causing the dip, but I know this is a great opportunity to pick up some decently cheap Bitcoin. Because Wednesday, as of Wednesday, I bought at 123, and I still think that's a good price. 116, you're getting way more BTs, you're getting way more sats. I just think people during these dips, they freak out way too easily. You always hear it. It's the end. The bull market's over. I mean, guys, it's October. Like, this is just, I looked at it, it's 4%, a 4% dip, and people are losing their minds. So I think this is a good time to get your guys' strategy. I know a lot of people they start buying Bitcoin with no true goals. I know, you go to Jerry's channel, the goal is to get to 1 million sats as fast as you can and do your 100 hours. I usually would say 10 million sats. That seems to be where it hits. I mean, where you have some real skin in the game. Granted, don't worry, that's a lot of money. I'm well aware that 10 million sats is a lot of money, but if you're taking it seriously, 10 million sats is where I feel like you're in it. You're taking this serious. I know that's what I did. I went and I started off pretty small. I got 10 million sats, and then I set my next goal. And then I set my next goal. I actually, Wednesday, when I was just saying I bought at 123, I hit my goal, my not my end game goal, but close. And I think you should put that. I think you should at least be shooting for a Bitcoin. Granted, once again, I'm reevaluating. I know how much money that is. I get it, but I know if everybody's scenario that may not be feasible. I get that also, but if you're serious and you put your mind to it, it's doable. Because I mean, I know people have hit a Bitcoin. I'm not gonna say I have, but I'm not gonna say I'm not. I'm gonna edit that one out. But like I said, this is a good opportunity to figure out what are you aiming for? Like, mine is at least 1 BTC, preferably 2 to 3, and be retired by 45. That's the goal. And that's going to require a lot of luck and a lot of ramen days. Trust me, I already bring my lunch to work. I bet I have a 50% savings, probably more than a 50% savings into BTC. And that might even go higher. Sorry, there's farmers everywhere. It's harvest season, guys. I'm just hanging out on a road. I may even bring it up higher if they ever, Strike just released their little video saying that they're going to start receiving BTC as payments. And Strike's one of the, not Strike, Square is the what I was trying to say. Square starting to receive payments for BTC, and Square is one of the biggest POS systems per POS companies there is. I mean, almost everybody has Square. I don't think people are taking that as serious as it should be, because I know I used to put in, I still put in phones, but I put in phone systems, and Square was primarily like your pizza places. They all use Square with a different skin on it. It's like Square is like the background programming, and then like they'll put a Godfather's skin on it, or like a different pizza place. But they're in lots of point of sales. So if they could get that going, which they already are, that's been announced. I read it in their website in Bitcoin magazine. But that, and if they could get the capital gains off of like under $1,000, under $600 transactions, Bitcoin's going to explode, and that is going to help everybody's goals. That I'd say I'm about 2/3 the way to my goal, my end goal. No, halfway to my end goal. Man, I'm bad at math, guys. A third of the way to my end goal, and hoping, I did that in 2 years. So if you put your mind to it, you can get some serious savings put away. So hopefully I get a couple good more years playing at the cornfields. Technically 10 years if I going for my goal of 45, but honestly, faster is better. Sorry I've been gone for so long, and this is rambly as usual. I think we're just gonna lean into it. I ramble. I have ADHD through the brain, and I'm just gonna lean into it. So you guys have a good one. I'll see you on the next one. Later.